And it goes a little something like.
I'll keep you warm. You all summer and after fall. I'll keep you warm all summer.
Good day, viewers. I am Marjorie Calizar from 11 ABM, and here is our lesson for today's video. We discuss the rational equation. So ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng rational equation. A rational equation is an equation containing one or more rational equation. Rational equation typically insert in a variable in the denominator. For this reason, care must be taken to ensure that the denominator is not zero by making note of restriction, ensuring that no solution makes a denominator zero in the original equation. Solving a rational equation involves deriving fraction by multiplying both sides of the equation by the less common denominator. So ngayon, dadako tayo sa example number 1. X over 5 plus 1 over 4 equals x over 2. So ngayon, ilalabas natin yung 5 over 2 sa labas. So ngayon, hahanapin naman natin yung LCD. Ngayon, una nating hahanapin ang LCD ng 2. Sunod naman ang 4. At last ang 5. Kuha natin LCD sa ating example ay 20. So ngayon, ipagta-times natin siya. X over 5 plus 1 over 4 equals x over 2 bracket times 20. So ngayon, yung 20 ay i-divide lang natin sila sa bawat numero. 20x divide 5 plus 20x divide 4 equals 20x divide 2. So ngayon, yung 4 and 5 pagsasamahin natin. 4x plus 5 equal 10x. So ngayon, sasubstitute lang natin sila. 5 over 10x negative 4x. So, ngayon, ipag-minus lang natin yung 10x sa 4x. So, equal 6x. 5 over 6 equals 6 over 6. So, ngayon, cancel na natin. Ang natira na lang ngayon ay 5 over 6. 5 over 6. So, ito na ngayon yung answer natin sa number 2. Y over 9 equals negative 2 over 5 equals 1 over 3 negative n negative d. Substitute equals bracket y over 9 equals 2 over 5 equals 1 over 3 close bracket. So, ngayon ilalabas lang natin yung 9, 5, 5, 3, y equals 2, 9, 3 equals 1, 9, 5, 15, y 54, 45. Sasubstitute natin sila. So, 15y 45 plus 54, 15y equals 45 plus 54 is 99, and 15y over 15 equals 99 over 15. Kakancel natin yung 15y, 15, and 99 divide 15 is y equals 6.6. So, ito na yung sagot natin sa example number 2.